So I've recently added some manual outbound activities to my biz dev efforts. What I'm going to show you right now is a quick little trick that's very different and unique, utilizing Chat GPT and LinkedIn to reach out to targeted hiring managers and make the message a lot more personalized. So it's not like you're extracting things from their headline or saying their full name. Basically, when you're receiving these automated messages on LinkedIn, you know right away it's an automated thing and doesn't really make people want to respond to you. Well, this little tactic that I'm going to show you right now is something that I learned just this week. And I've been doing it manually, but I'm actually working on a way to automate it. Bottom line is it's much more personalized and different that it elicits more responses. So let me go ahead and dive right into it and give you a preview of exactly how to do it. So here's Chat GPT. But what you want to do is go out to your LinkedIn account. I went ahead and set up a prospect that I've been trying to get in contact with already. His name is Jim Hyde, and he's a CEO of a telecom company. Okay, so there you go. Now, what you're going to do is go into Chat GPT and say, write a quick compliment. Actually, write a quick personalized compliment for the following person. Too much coffee. Okay. Then you're going to do name, and bio. Okay, those are going to be your three parameters, right? So let's go in here. We know the name is Jim Hyde. I'm going to type it in. You could also copy and paste to make your life easier. Let me get his headline. So CEO Halo Networks, pretty simple. Let's copy that. Okay. And then for the bio, just simply copy their about section, and then Chat GPT knows to kind of rewrite that for you. Okay, there we go. And then we just hit enter. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a message that you can send to your prospect through LinkedIn. That's going to be more personalized and looks different. So as you can see here, it's doing it less than 3 seconds. Jim, as the CEO of Halo Networks, your ability to drive profitable growth and even the most challenging of markets is truly impressive. Your expertise in building and integrating infrastructure, products, technologies, processes, and measure, blah, blah, blah. Your leadership, communication, and analytics skills are truly admirable. Your background as an Olympic athlete shows your determination to drive to be successful, which is evident in your business acumen. Keep up the great work. Pretty impressive, guys, huh? So, of course, you can shorten this. You can make it more personalized. You can ask Chat GPT to make it more human. But bottom line is, here is a phenomenal message that is very personalized. It's not some, robot that took just from the headline. And you can finagle this and add and edit as you please. But there's a lot of good stuff right here that makes this very intriguing and will make a hiring manager want to respond to you.